Now, another interesting question I've been sent is the difference between affiliate marketing and drop shipping, because drop shipping is what a lot of people know because of Amazon.
Right.
So, how would you differentiate between the two?
Well, with the drop shipping, you're basically in charge of everything. You're in charge of having to research the product, decide how to make the store, make sure the fulfillment, the customer service. You have to worry about all those details. With affiliate marketing, you care what you choose, but the product owner, the network, has to decide about all of that. All you have to do is decide on the traffic. You get your link. Let's say you get a link for a supplement product. That's all you do. You have to figure out, am I going to put that link on Facebook, and am I going to put it on YouTube?
Yep.
Where am I going with this link? That's all you have to worry about.
Yeah.
So it really takes a lot of the stress from, with drop shipping, it's a whole business. You're the product owner, you're the affiliate, you're the fulfillment center, you're the customer service. Yeah. It's, I'm sure many people love it. It's a good business model for some, but in my opinion, if you're just getting started, it gets complicated quickly.
And I guess before you take on a publisher or an advertiser, you research the background or the product market fit, and is it converting or not? Do you look at those metrics before you say yes to them? Because then you
absolutely
put that product in front of your affiliates.
Oh, well, we say no. 90% of the time we say no to product owners, because if they don't have, sometimes at this, if they don't know them, if they don't have a good reputation, we just say no, because it's not worth the risk. And we have so many product owners creating offers just for us. So of course, it's a huge responsibility putting a product in front of the affiliates, because it has to convert. It has to be, something that customers need, right? And I don't judge the things people like to promote, right? It can be a face cream. It can be something very vain like that. But if you need a face cream, you just promote it, right? It can be a pillow. But basically, we do research to make sure the offer is good and it converts. That's very important.
Perfect.